How to claim free exclusive emotes in Clash Royale. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to claim free exclusive emotes in Clash Royale. So let's jump right into it. First, launch Clash Royale on your device and make sure you're signed into your Supercell ID to ensure your progress is saved. Exclusive emotes are often available through limited time events or special promotions. These might pop up in the shop or as part of special challenges. To start, head over to the shop and look for any offers related to emotes. Keep an eye on the events tab where you can find seasonal events or challenges, and some of these events will reward you with the exclusive emotes after completing certain objectives or achieving specific milestones. You can join clan events if you're part of a clan, and in certain in-game achievements can unlock exclusive emotes, so check the achievements tab to see if there are any that reward you with a special emote when completed. Occasionally, Clash Royale runs promotions in partnership with other companies or events, so be sure to check that out. Once you've completed the necessary steps, go to your Emotes menu under your Profile tab and to see your newly unlocked emotes. You can then equip them and use them during battles. Thanks for watching. How to transfer Solana from CoinDCX to Phantom Wallet. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you on how to transfer Solana from CoinDCX to your Phantom Wallet, so let's get started. First, open the CoinDCX app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Balances section where all of your cryptocurrencies are listed and search for Solana and click on it to open your Solana wallet. In the Solana wallet section, you'll see an option to withdraw, so click on this button to initiate the transfer. Open the Phantom Wallet app, and if you don't have it, you can download it and make an account. Click on Solana to find your Sol wallet address and copy this address by clicking on the Copy Address button. Go back to the CoinDCX app and paste your Phantom Wallet address into the Withdrawal Address field. Double check that you've pasted it correctly to avoid errors. Now enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer, and after entering the amount, click on Withdraw. You may be asked to complete a two-factor authentication for added security. Once completed, confirm the transaction. The transaction will proceed and the Solana will be transferred to your Phantom Wallet, and it may take a few minutes for the transfer to complete, so please be patient. After the transfer is successful, open your Phantom Wallet again and go to your Solana wallet. You should see your SOL balance updated with the transferred amount. Thanks for watching.